put him down the pipe.
You don't want to drive like that.
Damn! Look at them! Look at them glutes.
That's not gonna happen.
$5. Professional.
You're the best. Specter Built in Corona, California. Come check them out.
There's no fixing me, bro.
All right, y'all. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and of course, we're dealing with Mindy's car, and yes, there's some issues. There is some problems. It went from one to a couple to now, I don't know. So what's gonna happen is Mindy's gonna be pulling up, help me out with this, so we can show you guys what the hell is going on. What the helly?
What the helly? What the helly?
And we're gonna get to it. So let's see what this car and let's see what this day is talking about. All right, let's get it.
Surprise! Bitches.
What scares you? I heard you go, ooh, outside.
Oh, because there was a Japanese beetle. That shit was like in my hair almost. Like I was like, oh hell no, not today. Oh yeah, tried to tie a string to it, but I couldn't catch it in time.
Yeah, here's your car.
Oh. Oh my god. I mean, is that better?
Yeah, okay.
Is that how they do it?
So you already know the issue with the, I'll just explain to everybody. So,
okay.
All right, let me set this up. Let me set this up. All right, so this is what's going on. Mindy's car's broke, did it? But long story short is, when driving her car, I noticed it started shaking a lot. You know what I mean? Depending on different speeds and everything like that, and it gradually started getting worse. I first thought it was her rotors, right? And when it gets really bad, it's not just when you brake, it's also when you drive. But I also noticed that when it came time to just simply roll, it felt like the tires were like seized up. So I'm like, okay, maybe her wheel bearings are shot. Understand, it's a 2001 Lexus GS300. I'm damn near 25 years old. So what I did was I took the tires off, and upon doing that, I found some other issues. The back tires. So this tire right here, when I took it off, on the inside, the tire was like kind of bubbling up and warped. Right? It wasn't smooth, which is not good. You don't want to drive like that. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take these tires off, point the camera that way. We're gonna have other sets of tires. Hey.
I'm sorry. Point the camera that way. That's funny. I'm sorry.
Here, man.
That was funny to me. Because I was like, pointing it to you, right? Doing my job. And he was like, that way. Hello. Yo. All right. My bad.
So here's the order of operation. We're going to put the front tires on the back. Therefore, taking these tires to Wheels in Motion and Pomona. We're going to go see Phil. If he can replace these tires under warranty, whatever, cool. But if he can't, we're going to switch these bad tires for the good ones, because they're the same size right there. Okay, so after that, let's get the tire switch, get it going, and then let's just stop it right there, and then let's get to it, and we'll just do it step by step. All right, here we go.
You is strong, important.
You is kind. You is important.
Oh my god.
Look at all these yams back
Damn. Look at
You
them.
see it?
Look at them glutes.
You see
bro.
it?
Woo!
here. Hey, let's see me flex while she's ready.
Do it. He's all.
So, worst case scenario, these tires will go, but there's still a good amount of meat, so we're straight. Got that meat?
Arby's, we have the meat.
Big meat. So, to get both tires up, I could do side to side, but I don't know, work smarter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my low profile jack to the diff, hit it, Bow ties are up, switch them out. Yeah, whatever. Upon further inspection, that's not gonna happen.
Oh no, the dip is gone? Did we lose it on the highway?
Just got that Bluetooth dip. It's, I don't know, somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Super custom.
Yeah, right. It's too deep. Hello. It's too deep.
I hate you.
And then the gas tank is blocking it, so we're just gonna do side to side.
Regular, the good old fashioned way.
I'm a star boy.
Oh my god. Is that your stripper name?
All right. Oh, boom, right there.
Ooh.
So what's crazy is it's not two sides that are in it, it's only one side. See? So it seems fairly small and minute, but I don't know.
Pull it out, bro.
No, I'm gonna wait till
See what happens.
I'm gonna take it because if he pulls it out, then he can just plug it real quick.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So I'll just leave it. Other than that, these are also good. So hopefully there's a simple solution. Well,
Can we take those?
Back, I was talking.
I'm not very good at this. I'm sorry. My bad, bro.
Hopefully there's a simple solution to this problem.
There's no fixing me, bro.
Oh, whatever. You know, here, do what you want to do. Alignment.
Alignment.
All right. Now, yeah, back.
You stood up. I had to go. My arms are fully extended, raised right now.
So let's get these tires loaded up and off to wheels in motion.
To the next stop.
You can press stop. All right, down here, wheels in motion. In the city of Pomona, where you got.
Hey, hold on, you got a prostitute walking by. $5.
Did she just solicit her stuff? Okay. Anyway, city of Pomona, where you can, in most every single pothole, you can find an empty bottle. Yeah, you know what I mean?
What? Where can I get a needle around here?
Gotta see my boy Phil right now, you know me.
Hey, what's going on?
What's cracking, pimpin'?
Can I get some new ones?
You can pay for it. Every size rim, every size tire. They got all down here. Anything and everything for your whip. Trucks, cars, SUVs, trailers, it don't matter. They have a couple different warehouses. This is just one of them. Everything. So we gotta wait for them and see what he's talking about, because in the back there was a lowrider getting worked on. So I'm pretty sure we next up.
I want to ask him if there's like any good taco shops right here, because your girl wants a street taco. You know what I mean?
Nobody eats tacos like that.
Let the juice and like the lime juice. Ah.
All right, so this is what's going on. I showed him the tires. He saw that on one of the tires, it was bad. On the other tire, the one that had the little nail in it, he saw that that was warped too. So luckily I brought both. So we're just gonna switch Mindy's new set of tires with the old set that are the same size, but they were still brand new. Hey, your friends are outside. Yeah.
Should I twerk?
Huh? But we in Pomona. Yeah. Everywhere. Everywhere. Sugar free to pimp. This was trying to be sneaky. Oh, God.
I was like, ooh, how much?
You got the 304s walking the strip, boy. Yeah, you know what I mean? Hey, and it's funny because you got the 304s walking the strip, and then you have the undercovers right here too. Undercover incognito. Where are they at? Where are they at? Where are they at? Oh, Well, you see him right there. Right there. Super inconspicuous, right? Let's just have an all black car with metal in the front in the cut. Let's go get some to eat. All right, now it's time to grub while we wait.
And I'm going,
Is that your move? Is that your
yeah, because that's what I'm gonna do these tacos right now. Put them down the pipe.
So we're gonna eat. Hopefully afterwards we go back. Everything's done. We'll keep it moving to the next thing. All right. Got more workers. All right, so now while Mindy's gonna roll on her back old tires, which looks similar but they're different, we're gonna get the car towed right now and then shoot over to go see Tyler the car doctor over at Specter Built in Corona, California. And excuse me, what we're looking to do is throw it on the lift and find out what the hell what's really going on. You know what I mean? So I don't know, when it rolls it's a struggle just to go from here to here, but yeah, let's get this tow truck and get it on there. I hate seeing your car or not your car, but you know what I'm saying, cars that you have and that you want to drive. It sucks seeing them on the tow truck, but you're kind of happy that it's on a tow truck because hopefully it's going to go get fixed. No different than being at the hospital. Everybody hates being at the hospital. Everybody hates being at the dentist, but in order to get things fixed, that's where you have to end up. So let's get this tow truck pulling up.
You're the best.
I'm gonna charge you. I'm putting this on your tab.
No problem. It's all yours. I'm gonna give you my pizza.
Off to Specter Built we go. Let's go see Tyler the car doctor. All right, made it down here. Tow truck, no car. Car is right here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead, we'll do exhaust. We're gonna go ahead and throw the car on the lift, and after that come back another day to diagnose what the issue is. And once again, oh my baby, my baby. Oh yeah, we'll be dealing with you shortly. But yeah, so right now it's gonna go on, I believe, this lift right here. And it's the end of the day, so we're just gonna drop it off, get it situated, and tap it another day to diagnose what the issue is. But let's get the car moved in. Hey, down here at Specter Built, down here, they are innovators. Innovators doing things you never thought of. Check this out. So when you're working on a car in the summer heat in a warehouse, it gets warm, actually kind of hot. No air conditioner. So what do they do for air conditioner? That's right, Tyler the car doctor, smart.
Just make my bed and I lay it.
Get a bag of dries, crush it, and then just lay it down. So you can have something nice and cool to sit on while you're doing work. He sacrificed himself for you guys, but he still has to be comfortable to give you a beautiful finished product. Ta-da!
Right. You want to really know what I'm using this for, Dan?
What is that for?
So the sound deadening comes off easier.
Ah.
You can hear it. Listen.
Yep.
You hear it
Smart.
cracking?
Yeah. Because the sound deaden is like a tar. Yeah. So when it's hard, it just
like
crack and just pop up.
It's
Yep.
like this. This is even like the ones on the trans tunnel always come off like this. You see the ones on the floor, most of it comes off. You don't have to do a lot of cleanup work.
See, work is smarter, not harder. I didn't know that. That's very simple and clever. All right, y'all, got the car dropped off, got the exhaust dropped off. Everything's safe, everything's looking amazing. Everybody here is kicking ass and getting to work as usual. No days off. Not over here at Specter Built. Specter Built in Corona, California. Come check them out. Now, oh, what? You want to see my car? Yeah, oh yeah, that's my baby. Looking dusty. Car's looking ashy. You know what I'm saying? It's black, ash, needs some lotion. Anyway, we're gonna come back another day. Gonna lift it up, and Tyler, the car doctor, is going to diagnose the problems and issues, and we'll see what we have to do to get Mindy's Lexus GS300 on the right track. This is the man with the plan right here. We're gonna see him next week, and oh, don't be humble. You know what I mean? It's all right. You can say you the shit. You know, we all know it.
No, I'm not cocky.
Yeah.
I'm not cocky.
He's just confident. You know what I mean? There's a difference. He's not throwing it back in your face. But what he will throw back in your face is don't go to a shady shop. Don't go to bootleg mechanics. Actually, if you do that, you're going to end up here anyway because he's going to fix all your problems. Hello.
I'm like everybody's therapist at this point.
Anyway, you guys, hey, make sure you like and subscribe. If you're a first-time viewer, hope you liked the episode. Continue to tune in to see what we're going to do with this car and what's really going on with it, man. All my regular subscribers, thank you so much for supporting. And let me leave you with a little piece of advice. Piece of advice is this. Babysitters don't really sit on babies. They don't. It's crazy, right? All right, y'all. I'll holler at y'all.